Hello guys, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. So let's get started. In this video, we have a really important topic in grammar to speak about, so please pay attention to learn it clearly and carefully at the end of the video. If you like my videos, please put the thumb on them, comment on the comment section and share them with your friends. Okay, les adjectifs possessive. It is our topic in this video. Les adjectifs possessive. If you look at this title, les adjectifs possessive or possessive adjectives in English language, why we call them les adjectifs possessive? Because they are adjectives and they give some possession to someone. That's why we call it les adjectifs possessive or les adjectifs possessive or the possessive adjectives in English language. Because in this grammar part of the book it is not taught clearly, that's why I must clarify the topic by myself, and after that we are going through the book to cover the grammar section on the book. So les adjectives possessive, we have subjects here. At first, in this video we cover the singular subjects, les sujets singuliers ou the singular subjects like je, tu, il, elle, as you already know. But in the next video we are going through the plural subjects, nous, vous, il, elle. So please pay attention to cover the singular ones, and after that we are going through the plural ones. Guys, whenever you are going to speak by it's better to say whenever you are going to use these possessive adjectives, you must be really careful that they are not related to the subject. It doesn't matter the subject is a girl or a boy, it is a feminine or masculine. The subject is not important. The word, the noun is important that you put after these possessive adjectives. For example, if you want to say my book in French language, so it doesn't matter the owner of the book is a girl or a boy. It's important that what is the nature sex of the book. When book, as you already know, le livre in French language is masculin, so that's enough. Livre is masculin, so you can put the appropriate possessive adjectives for it. And it doesn't matter that book belongs to a girl or a boy. So please really be careful about this matter, that it doesn't relate it to the owner of the book. Just sex of that word, that noun is important. The natural sex of that word is important, that is masculine or feminine. Okay, for example, whenever you have a word that is naturally masculine, for example, livre, for example, stylo, tapis, père, frère, portable, etc., and you want to put a possessive adjectives before them to give the possession of that word to someone, you must use mon, ton, son. Mon for myself, for je, ton for tu, et son for il or elle. For example, I will give you an example. Stylo. Stylo is a masculine word, masculine noun in French language. Stylo. Le stylo means pen. Now I want to say my pen. So stylo is a masculine word. So for masculine, for je, I must use mon. For example, so it makes you mon stylo. Mon stylo, my pen. Mon stylo, my pen. Why I used mon before stylo? Because the natural sex of stylo is because stylo is a masculine word, and for masculine word I must use mon to give the possession to je. If I want to give the possession of that stylo to tu, ton, for il and el son. So mon stylo, my pen. Ton stylo means your pen. Son stylo, her or his pen. And again, it it is not related to the owner of the stylo, owner of the pen. It doesn't matter the pen belongs to Sarah or Paul. Just the nature sex of a stylo is important, that is masculine. So when you know that the stylo is masculine, that's enough. For me, for myself, mon stylo. For yourself, ton stylo. For her or his, for her or him, son stylo. So mon stylo, ton stylo, son stylo. Another word, tapis. I can remove them. Mon tapis. Tapis means carpet. Mon tapis, because tapis is a masculine. All of them are masculine. All of them are masculine because tapis is a masculine word, and I want to tell that my carpet. That's why I use mon tapis. For you, ton tapis. For her or him, son tapis. And it doesn't matter, the carpet belongs to Paul or Sarah. Mon tapis, ton tapis, son tapis. Again for père. Père means father. Mon père, my father. Oops. Mon père, my father. Ton père, your father. Your father. Son père, sorry. Son père means his father or her father. So it doesn't matter. This is the father of Sarah or Paul. Son père. Her father or his father. The natural sex of father, that is masculine, is important, as I told you. Mon père, ton père, son père. Again for frère, mon frère, ton frère, son frère. For portable, frère means brother. Portable means phone, my cell phone. So mon portable, my cell phone. Ton portable, your cell phone. Son portable, her cell phone or his cell phone. So whenever you have as a result, whenever you have as a conclusion, whenever you have a masculine word that you want to give possession to someone, for me, mon, for you, ton, and for her and him, son. This is for masculine. But if your word is feminine, instead of being masculine, if your word is feminine, you have a noun, you have a word that you want to give it a possession, at that time you must use, and your word is feminine, at that time you must use ma, ta, sa. For me, ma. For you, ta. For him or her, sa. For example, we have some feminine words here. All of them are feminine. Voiture, car. Gomme, eraser or rubber. Chambre, chamber or room. Maison, the house. And ville is the city. So All of these voiture, gomme, chambre, maison, ville, all of these words are feminine. So I have a feminine word and I want to say my car, my car. So ma voiture, ma voiture. Why I don't say mon voiture? Mon voiture is not correct. Why? Because the nature sex of voiture is feminine. And whenever you have a feminine word, you must put ma for je. For you, ta voiture, ton voiture is not correct. Sa voiture is correct. Son voiture is not correct. You know. Ma voiture, ta voiture, your car, sa voiture, his or her car, and it doesn't matter the car belongs to Paul or Sarah. It doesn't matter. The owner is not important at all. I repeat it several times because I know that most of the students make mistakes about this matter. They think that because the car belongs to Sarah, so I must say something else. No, it doesn't matter. The voiture is important, that is feminine, and you must say ma voiture, ta voiture, sa voiture. For gomme again, gomme eraser, my eraser. So ma gomme, your eraser, ta gomme, his or her eraser, sa gomme, the same. Chambre, ma chambre, ta chambre, sa chambre. Maison, ma maison, ta maison, sa maison. My house, your house, her house, or his house. Ma ville, for example, ma ville. Ma ville. Ma ville est Ispahan. Ispahan. Ma ville est Ispahan. Ispahan, it's a city located in the center of my country, Iran. Ma ville est Ispahan. My city is Isfahan. Ta ville, ta ville, sa ville, sa ville. For example, in the comment section, you can say your own city, your homeland. Ma ville est, whatever is your homeland. So, ma ville est Ispahan. Ma chambre, ta chambre, sa chambre, etc. etc. So now you know whenever you have a masculine word, you must use mon, ton, son. Whenever you have a feminine word, you must use ma, ta, sa as possessive adjectives. But if you have a plural word, at that time, what we must do? We have a plural word. For example, instead of a car, we have cars, pens, cell phones, brothers. At that time, what can I do? So, in this case, you must use me, te, se. For me, me. For you, te. And for il ou elle, se. For example, I will give you these examples: stylo, voiture, and for example, gomme, maison, maison, frère. If you see these words, all of these words are in plural form. And if you look at them carefully, you will see that they are together, masculine and feminine, both together. For example, stylo is masculine, voiture is feminine, gomme is feminine, maison is feminine, and frère is masculine. So both together. Whenever whenever your word is in plural form, it doesn't matter it is masculine or feminine. It doesn't matter, not at all. Your word is, your noun is plural, in plural form. It is plural. When it is plural, you must say me, te, se. For my pens, mes stylo. Okay, voiture. Stylo is masculine, so I say mes stylo because it is plural. Voiture is feminine, so it doesn't matter. It is a plural word. That's why I say mes voitures, my cars. Gomme is again feminine, so it's not important because they are plural. That's enough. Me, te, se. Mes gommes, my erasers. Mes maisons, my houses. Mes frères, my brothers. So now instead of my stylo, I want to say that your stylos, your pens, tes stylo, your cars, tes voitures, your erasers, tes gommes, your houses, tes maisons, your brothers, tes frères. So all of them are and if I say that for him or her, say stylo. It doesn't matter it doesn't matter the pens belong to Sarah or uh, Paul, as I told you before hundreds times in this video. That's why the owner is not important. And again, the feminine or being feminine and masculine is not important whenever you have a word in plural form. Just it is plural, that's enough. Put me, te, se. You see a word, you have a word that is in plural form, that's enough. Me, te, se. And don't think about anything else. Ses stylos, ses voitures, ses gommes, ses maisons, ses frères, her brothers or his brothers. So, mon ton son, ma tassa, me tesse. As a conclusion for the end of this video, you have a word, guys. Think about this matter carefully and don't be confused. When you have a word, your word is masculine. So for me, mon. For you, ton. For he or she, son. So, for example, stilo, just one word. Estilo is masculine. Mon estilo, ton estilo, son estilo. Whenever your word is feminine, okay, for example, voiture is feminine, and you want to say my car, your car, her car, or his car, you say ma voiture, ta voiture, sa voiture. So ma ta sa for feminine. And whenever your word is plural, you don't think about anything else. That's enough, and you say me te se. So me voiture, te voiture, se voiture, or me stilo, te stilo, se stilo. And in this case of plural form, the feminine or masculine, being feminine or masculine is not important. We don't care about them. Just we say me te se. So for masculine, mon ton son. For feminine, ma ta sa. And for plural form, me te se. And as for thousands times I say that the owner is not important. Have a good time, guys. If you like my videos, please share them with your friends and tell your comment in the comment section. You can put your examples, or you can write your examples on the comment section. For example, tell your CT and make some sentences by this topic, by possessive adjectives, in the comment section, and I will see all of them, and I will answer if you have any problems. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write them on the comment section. Have a good time. Bye bye, till next video.